Hey, yo. Look like I'm going for a swim.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Salon Cherise, and today in this video we are doing a wig install with Myfirstwig. Now, this is a disclaimer for you guys. I thought this wig was supposed to be brown, okay? This kind of came off to be like a rose goldy kind of color, so I think the color is a little off. So yes, in case you're wondering, based on the specs. But this is the wig on my head. I think it looks amazeballs if you ask me, but we need to hook it up. Like, I can't walk around like that. I wanted to show you guys how the lace looks. It's actually a darker color, very darker than what I'm used to. So if you are dark skinned, this is definitely for you because they have different lace color options. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm doing it in a very jagged motion because I want it to look as natural as possible, okay? So I don't want it to look like a straight line. I mean, you can go for that. I do that sometimes, but I wanted it to look a little bit more natural. So alright, so now it's time for me to put my Gotta Be Glued on. Now, what I love about Myfirstwig is if it isn't obvious enough to you, hence the name, Myfirstwig is for beginners, okay? So it's really for, like, if this is your first time wearing a wig, you can take it out the box and put it directly on your head, as you guys seen what I just did. I took it completely out the box. I didn't wash it, didn't bleach the knots. It comes pre-plucked, which is amazing, so you don't have to do anything to it. I kind of went ahead and made my part a little bit wider because that's my own preference, but you can skip that step if you completely want to. It's totally up to you, dolls. So definitely, if you like it like this is perfect. So anyways, I recommend this wig for beginners. It's definitely something that you can definitely take out and get ready to go. I did not add a headband on this, guys. I just took it out. It fits perfect, so I didn't have to add a headband. Anyways, what I'm doing is I'm using spritz. So instead of using glue in this video, I kind of went ahead and I used gel. So Gotta Be Glue is not glue, it's gel. And look, it's sticking real well. Look, ooh, pull, yeah, it's sticking real well. So I used gel and spritz, hairspray, to kind of stick it down. This is also another alternative. So if you're not really fond of the glue, or you feel like the gel's not sticking enough for you, definitely go ahead and try the whole spritz hairspray-ish method. So, and it definitely works well. So I'm holding it down and I am combing it back because this helps the edges to look a little bit more neater. I look like a news reporter. That's what I was doing. But I'm cutting the lace in the back because it was kind of itchy and I forgot to cut it off in the beginning. So this is where we're at right now. And I'm going to go ahead and use, yes, you guessed it, my robe band. Okay, this is the string for my robe. And I'm using it to just dry my edges. Kept it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, took it off, and 𝗣𝗲. This is where we're at now. Go ahead and perfect your part. I didn't add, guys, when I say I literally took this wig out of the box, literally, and put it on my head. You guys just seen. You just seen from the beginning. I literally took it out of the box and put it on my head. So that's what I love. I need my hot comb, so I will use my hot comb. You guys, I showed you guys how it looked without a hot comb, and I showed you guys how it looked with the hot comb. So I don't know about you guys, but I like the top of my head to be flat. So I went ahead and used the hot comb. Then I'm going to head with some edge control. I didn't use gel. I went ahead and I used Lovely Bee's edge control. She's a YouTuber as well. I will have the product link down below. And I just scooped out a little bit because, guys, let's be real, if this was my real hair, I would be doing the same thing. So call it what you want, call it baby hair, but this is what I would be doing on my own head if I had a side part. So this is what I do because I just like it. It's me. Sorry, guys. It's not baby hair, though. I'm not going to consider it baby hair. I'm going to call it grown-up baby hair. And as you can see, it's a skill. So you have to be very, very, like, steady and tedious with it. What I did with the hair is I kind of just twirled it around my fingers. So I combed out, like, little pieces, combed around my fingers, and to kind of, like, neaten up the curls, I went ahead with my argan oil hair shine and just added a little bit more life to it. Again, guys, if you don't really like hair shine, you can skip the step, but I feel like the hair was a little bit frizzy in the beginning, so I kind of wanted to just go ahead and tame the hair by using the hairspray. Woo! This is what I was talking about when I had said the whole making your part a little bit wider. Like I said, guys, you can skip this part, but I like to actually see some kind of brown scalp. My real scalp is brown. Well, I guess beige, but whatever. My scalp is light, okay? My real scalp. So I like to make it look a little bit more natural. I just can't, because in pictures, it looks like you just have a wig on with no part, and it drives me nuts, okay? I need to see a part. So I'm going to go ahead and tweeze out a little bit, and I used a little bit of foundation, and I'm actually using my nail to kind of like scoop the foundation into place a little bit. Weird tip that I picked up on by an accident. So this part I kind of just went ahead and sped up because this is me doing my last finishing touches. Yeah, so I really love this wig. Again, it was supposed to be brown. I thought it was browner, but it kind of, it's like a salmony color. It's really weird. It's very pretty in person, but it's a little bit weird, but at the same time it looks nice, so I'm all for it. I love it. The hair is very soft and the cut is very cute, guys. So this is what came in the pack. It is a flyaway tamer, and I use this for the top. Now this, do not put all over your hair, but you can put it on like the outer part of your hair. So like if you feel like your curls are frizzy, go ahead and use this product. It is from Myfirstwig as well, and it is it just helps to kind of keep the frizz in place. Okay? And it really worked very well. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys loved it. I have all the information for you guys down below and discount codes. Bye, guys.